In this video, I'm going to show you how to purchase a resource, whether that is for a price or for free. To begin, you can find listings from your general marketplace or within your matches. For the purpose of this video, I will be finding a listing from the general marketplace. Today, I'm interested in purchasing this office chairs. It's in a perfect location for me, so I will buy it now by placing my interest. Once I confirm that I want to buy it, it will shoot a request to the seller, prompting them to confirm my request to buy. So now, I will just have to wait for his confirmation. In the meantime, I can return to the dashboard to check the status of my transaction. So here, we can see the office furniture that I wanted to buy.